Hey guys, just want to show you a video that's going out this week. So it's another beautiful sandy Troopy. We do really like these. But if we open her up, we've done a custom, obviously, drawer system in here to suit the angle chest fridge. So this is all made around suiting that fridge, maximising the space. So if we come in, we've done a custom carpeted ply floor, then we've got a custom slide to suit the fridge. Then also behind that is a big storage box section. So these are on our obviously heavy duty running, so they're going to hold a lot of weight. So heaps of storage there. We slide that unit back in. On the right hand side here, we've got a single drawer with a bench. All right, so massive drawer again on our heavy duty slide, so plenty of storage space there. You notice that the bench doesn't slide out with the drawer. And that is because we have made a full length slide out bench. And the reason why is we're going to use this for, cooking, for a workbench, and it's going to take a massive amount of weight. All right. And to finish it off, obviously we've got the custom ply top with your wing kits. Now there's 4 wing kits there, or 4 lift up hatches. So every window you'll be able to access it as well. So nice storage down there. But there you go, guys, another beautiful fit in a Troopy. She's come up mint. Hope you like it. See you later.